Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi there, it's a pleasure to meet you too. How can I help you today?
What's the weather like in Milan today?
Hi there, the weather in Milan is currently partly cloudy with a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius and 70% humidity.
Out Rome instead.
The weather in Rome is currently sunny. The temperature is 28.0 degrees Celsius with 65% humidity.
Ciao, chi sei?
Ciao, sono Enrico, il tuo assistente meteo personale. Sono qui per aiutarti con qualsiasi domanda tu possa avere sul meteo, dalle previsioni alle condizioni attuali, fino ai modelli climatici e ai fattori ambientali. Chiedi pure.
Tempo fa a Torino oggi.
A Torino in questo momento piove. La temperatura è di 18 gradi Celsius e l'umidità è dell'85%.
Hi there, what's up?
Hello, I'm just a weather assistant, but I'm here and ready to help. How can I assist you today?
Could you please tell me what's the weather in Milan today?
The weather in Milan today is partially cloudy with a temperature of 24, 0 degrees C, and humidity at 70%. Let me know if you need further details.
What about Rome instead?
The weather in Rome is currently sunny with a temperature of 28, 0 degrees C, and humidity at 65%. Let me know if you need further details.